Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can recover deleted photo in Redmi 13C. For this, just go to gallery, select a picture and delete it. I am deleting this photo. As you see, the photo is delete now. For recover it, just go back and then we have option of delete items. Click on delete item. Here's a picture. Select this picture and we have two options. Number one, restore, and other is delete. Just click on restore to restore the image. Now as you see, the image is now restored and it is again appear in my camera section. So there's a one more video which I delete 4 days ago. So let's recover it. Just select it and then restore it. So as you see, this video now appear here. This is how you can restore the videos or photos in Redmi 13C, but make sure that we have a notification here that deleted item that have been backed up can stay in cloud for up to 60 days. Item that haven't backed up will be retained up to 30 days. So that means the deleted item that have already backed up will be retained in 60 days, but the pictures which are not backed up are only retained in 30 days. So this is a criteria for restoring the image. So if this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.